Meaning of hafnium.
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 Hafnium. Hafnium is a chemical element with the symbol HF and atomic number 72. It is a lustrous, silvery gray transition metal that is found in minerals such as zirconium minerals. Hafnium is used in nuclear reactors, as a control rod material due to its ability to absorb neutrons, and in gas turbines and aerospace applications due to its high melting point and corrosion resistance. Hafnium oxide is also used as a high-K dielectric in semiconductor manufacturing. Hafnium is not found freely in nature, but can be extracted from zirconium minerals.